Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter L from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a line across the top here. Then from the left side, let's bring it down and curve it in at the bottom. And then shorter line down on the right side. Next, let's add the mouth. From the bottom of the right line, let's curve it in and back out, coming out a little bit further. And then let's add 3 diagonal lines for the teeth. Now at the end, let's draw a line down. Next, step in slightly and let's draw a curve out towards the right. Then curve it down at the end. Now from the bottom, let's angle it back to the left. And then a long angle to close off the bottom. Now inside at the end here, let's draw an upside down Y shape like this. Lastly, let's draw the eyes. Inside above the mouth, let's draw a rounded rectangle shape. And then a larger one on the right behind it. Now let's erase the overlapping line inside. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve across. Then a rounded rectangle underneath in the left eye. And one in the right eye like this. And then let's color them both in black. And that's it for the letter L. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!